Hi guys, so today's elegant theme tutorial is I wanted to create an animation. I want to add an animation into my button for the book an appointment. So normally elegant itself is the animation only works into the when you enable the page visual builder, and it doesn't work on some global elements like menu, footer, so you need to custom code it. You need to use custom CSS. So here, I just grabbed this embed code from the equity because we are using a calendar site for our appointment. So in spec and elements, I'm gonna get the class there. So this is the class equity embed dot hyphen button, equity embed hyphen button. So I'm gonna get that one, and I will go. Okay, by the way, do not follow this crop. It's kind of messed up, and I will need to remove all that stuff and put it into my style CSS under my child theme. But for now, because I'm lazy, let me just put it there. But for the purpose of this presentation, we will put our CSS code into our extra and theme options. So you don't need to worry on this because every time there's an elegant themes updates, the files, the CSS code that you have put there won't be lost. So I'm gonna put the class there, and then first is we need to add a keyframes. So let me call that maybe I want it to be bouncing. So on my bouncing, for 0%, I wanted to, let me add close and open parentheses, I wanted to transform it into y-axis and then make it like 45 pixel. And then animation timing will be, I really love ease timing, so is in, to be specific. And then I'll work on the let me add a opacity, which is 1%, and then I will work on the, okay, let me go back. I will go back to equity, embed that button, and we will add the transform, and then sorry, not transform, but the animation, and then what's the name of the keyframes, which is the bouncing, and then how many seconds, so maybe 0.5 seconds, and then both. Okay, so for that I want it to be for 24%. Let me just make it maybe 24%. I want the translate to be, I want it to
decrease the axis, maybe 24 px, and then move to the 82%. Let's make it 12 px, and then for the 93%, okay, 100%. I want it to be 6 px for the translate axis y. So yeah, let me refresh that.
And yeah, but I want it to be like, it's, I just don't want to be bouncing at the top. I want to have a reflect thing, like it's moving back, pushing back again. So probably let's adjust this 90% and make the 100% -4. -4. It's not so polished, so I want to add more. I wanted to be, instead of ease in, then I will add
And ease out for here. And then instead of just remove that part and then make it 90%, and then this 100% should be 0. still not polished. I still want the bouncing thing, so I want to add more ease out for that. So for 12px, let me add 6 here, and then I'm gonna add more. So 25%, 24%, and then 82. Not 24, but probably 25 because we already have 24 there. So 25 and then 85%. Let's see if that would work. Actually, it's better to put it here. Let's see.
Yeah, I think that would work. Yeah. So there is a reverse thing. Yeah, and I hope this has been helpful, and if you have some tutorials that you want me to do, please let me know, comment down below. And yeah, for the code, I will also provide the WebKit code there on my website. Just visit the link below. And yes, have a great day. Don't forget to click the notification icon to receive videos and latest videos from me. And yeah, thank you. Have a great day.